Thunder Bay Shopping Center. I feel that it is a good to eat person McDonald's. You know, I'm thinking of taking this. I just want to use the, this one. This is something like a hair. I'm going to put in the microphone to block the wind. Yeah, I want to use that. But we'll have a look first. We are actually at the moment in the like a dollar shop. Yeah, they are selling different things here, and it's nice. The one that I get from eBay is smaller, so it's not actually fit in this microphone. Maybe this one. This is just $3.50, but the color is, we are at the moment in Aldi, and I saw this. Yeah, we're going to take one of each. This basically is like stir fry sauce, and they are in different flavor. And this is just 98 cents. And I'm going to take this. This is onion, garlic, and chili. Yeah, this is just $2.38. And of course, this one. They have a drone here, and it's just $99. You really feel the humidity, and it's hot. There's a Filipina lady working there, and housekeeping. Yeah, I always speak to her whenever I am here. Yeah, she said that this weather is the worse than the Philippines. The wind today is warm, not cold like the usual days. Yeah, this is the mixture of the humidity and the wind. That is how it is today. The temperature is just 28 degrees, but it's different. I am thinking of buying a coffee in that Woolworth in the Caltex, because it is cheaper there. But I'm also thinking of going to the bowling shop, buy a coffee there. I just got this coffee, and we'll be just walking today. There's no proper way. It is on the other side. There are what are those? Small duck? Yeah, that's the stagnant water. Yeah, there is a bird there. It says kukak, kukak, kukak. It's like a frog. We are now here. Just now I noticed this house. Nice, they have a front garden. Look, there are so many loriket. Yeah, and this is going to be my first time going that way. We're going to explore, because on the other side I know how it is. I'm just not sure if there is a way here to get up there. I think one of my colleagues is living in this area. Yeah, because we had a conversation and he said that he is living just after the bus, and behind that is the bus. So maybe he lives somewhere here. It's nice here. I didn't know this. Houses here are like a mansion. Look at this. Or maybe these are just set of apartment. I was checking in the Google map where is the way, but I am not sure, because there is this way is showing in the Google map, but I'm not sure, because it's like a dead end. But I am not giving up, because I believe there is a way here. Like what I've said, one of my colleagues lives in this area, and I saw him one time coming up from the I think this is the one. I also asked one lady there, a homeowner, and she said there is the way here. I said, is it the one in the vacant lot? She said yes. So as you can see, this is a vacant lot. Wow, nice, beautiful here. This residential area is like a tourist destination, and we are now crossing here. Oh yeah, and there is a way here like this. We are actually in the backyards of other people's house. Wow, all houses have their own swimming pool, but this one is neglected. Yeah, that's the other way. I'm still holding this coffee cup. There's no garbage bin in this area. No one will see me if I just throw this somewhere here, but I will not throw it that way. And we are now here. Wow. Yeah, that one is a donation from Max. Oh, there's one guy fishing. Nice. If the people are living in that house, then they have this. It's like they have a big swimming pool. Awesome. It is actually looks like a swimming pool because of the clear water. Along the way, I see people in their backyards. They are chatting and they are having their white wine, things like that. Amazing. They are relaxing. I noticed that there are now more people are jogging. Yeah, there are more on the at the back. Oh, yeah, the t-shirt that I am wearing now is coming from Karen, the wife of Ronald, you know, in Brisbane. Yeah, they gave it to me. Look at this dog. I don't know if they are like Askal, Asong Kalye in the Philippines. Nice. Electric bike, but it looks like a good looking, beautiful. Yeah, that one. I don't know the name of that bird, but yes, looks sleepy. Again, there is another bird. The same like the one that I've seen a while ago. Yeah, this one. I think this is their place to sleep. And they're actually focusing, looking at me. They are a traveler. Yeah, nice. I want to do the same in the future. When I have a long vacation, yeah, instead of going to the Philippines, I'm going to travel around Australia by just walking, taking the public train, public bus, not by airplane as much as possible. That's what I want to do. There is now a way here going to the beach. Okay, let's go and explore. This is common in a place like yeah, in the bushland. People are making or finding way. They are creating a way actually to get into a place. And this is how it is here. Nice, beautiful. We're going to be walking here. Yeah, this is the same way going to my apartment. You know, in this street there is one apartment that is for rent, $250, the same like my apartment, but it's not fully furnished. Also, if you live in this place, in one of these apartments, you're going to have a view of the water down there. I am sometimes going through or passing through this yeah, this hill in the night. It is a little scary because yeah, this is very dark in the night. Some houses, most of the houses doesn't have lights. Yeah, I pass through here, especially when the battery of my bike is running low, because this one is a little inclined compared to the one that is very steep. And we are now here. Beautiful, right? We're going to explore this one. I have always seen this, but I'm always seeing this, but never been here. I know exactly where it is going, but I never been actually in this actual passage. This is right just after a private house, this one, and it is here, and I'm familiar with that down there. Yeah, this is the one that I bought from the from the shop. This is like what is this? Yeah, similar to this. I am supposed to use this, but this one is very small and not fit on the microphone. Eh, this is the microphone.